Our Seiwa Spray Pump Inc. manufactures and sells spray pumps and high-pressure washers in Japan. Seiwa has developed impact-making and perfect products, silent high-pressure washers bringing together 30 years of technical experience of noise reduction. This product, JetClean JC 1513 DPN, provides 13 liters of water delivery. That is the largest amount of water supply possible for 15 megapascal pressure class. We have improved the performance at every point and pay more attention for the quality enhancement. Our users say it's easy to operate and our product is very well appreciated. We are proud of the quality. It's much lighter than the old model and very popular in the Japanese market. As the weight is only 49 kilograms, you can lift it up and down by yourself with the handles at the work site. Moreover, we control the noise level to be not more than 62 decibels, so it can be used in residential district. 8-liter big fuel tank capacity allows a one-day continuous work and prevents interruptions of work even if you forget to carry gasoline. You can start the engine immediately, even in the cold morning, in one recoil pull. The structure of the heat balance is designed to hold down the heat rising in hot summer. This cooling system achieves 10-degree cooler interior after the engine is stopped. It is very fit for warm climate, and it's a breakthrough design. We applied for patent. We have installed 4 spacious window panels for easy maintenance. You can easily do the maintenance check on your own at work site. Opening the front panel, you can see the oil inlet for easy oil exchange. In order to check the oil volume, we have attached a level gauge at the cap to examine the oil level. Exchanging the oil has become an easy task. When you open one of the side panels, you'll find an air filter. Here you can check if there is clogging and if the airflow moves without problem. We can handle the gasoline cork from the outside. Opening the rear panel, you'll find the plug and carburetor. When water and dust get mixed inside the carburetor, the machine will stop working. Inspect the carburetor here and remove the water. Opening the 4th panel, you can adjust the pressure of unloader and check the pump oil. In this way, through the 4 panels, you can easily check the inner condition for maintenance. The machine is user-friendly, easy to carry, and equipped with heat balance design that prevents from overheat in hot summer and ensures the instant start in cold winter. Summarizing, this silent high-pressure washer JC 1513 DPN is your friend and helps you to finish the work in no time. We believe you can even enjoy working with this machine. In addition to the type, there are other products such as the 10 megapascal and 20 megapascal pressure types. These machines will be the standard of the future cleaners, equipped with full functions, and we are confident that you will be satisfied with our machines.